In the upcoming session, the focus will shift to mastering SolidWorks, starting from the basics and advancing to its industrial applications. This journey will guide viewers through the essential features and tools that SolidWorks offers, ensuring a solid foundation for both beginners and experienced users. The session will cover key topics, including sketching, part modeling, assembly design, and simulation. Each segment will be designed to enhance understanding and practical skills, preparing participants for real-world engineering challenges. Viewers can expect to see how SolidWorks is utilized in various industries, showcasing its versatility and importance in modern design and manufacturing processes. Stay tuned for engaging tutorials and insights that will elevate skills and confidence in using SolidWorks effectively. This is an opportunity to transform knowledge into practical expertise, paving the way for future projects and innovations. Join the journey and unlock the potential of SolidWorks.